Every day at the Western Railway station in Budapest, crowds walk past these doors. But none of them have a clue that hidden beyond this nondescript entrance is a place of historical significance. This luxurious royal waiting room has virtually remained unchanged since the Habsburg regals commuted by train. This opulent haven away from the public gaze was designed to protect the travelling royal family from would-be assassins. That could be why the inscription at the entrance, when translated, means "with united forces." Only through touring with APT can you be invited behind closed doors for a personal viewing of these private royal quarters. But your exclusive APT access doesn't stop there. APT guests can also travel on the elegant Grand Empress Steam Train. Make your way past the handcrafted timber panels that line the sides. Then be personally welcomed aboard. In the dining car boasting antique fittings, APT guests can sit back, indulging in a la carte fine dining, complete with silver service and exquisite cut crystal. A menu favourite is game meat, cooked to perfection. Just make sure you leave room for dessert. With an ever-changing vista of the most picturesque countryside, dining this way offers a feast for your eyes as well. In any year, over 11 million tourists will converge on Budapest. But to be given the royal treatment, you have to travel with APT.